welcome back to my channel. So today I am super casual, you guys. I am in the middle of a revolution. My house is basically upside down. My bedroom, which I'm filming, you can see it's a different background. Let me know if you like this. I kind of maybe like that. There's my little desk, which I never did the update, but this is like my little corner desk where I keep my computer, and that window is for my backyard. So I basically flipped my camera. It's because my bedroom here, you guys, it became a storage room. My kitchen is being painted. Literally everything is upside down because our bedroom is downstairs. You know, this room just became storage. Like, I have my KitchenAid right here, so all the glasses, everything is just ridiculous. And yes, the window is open, so if you hear the birds singing, please don't mind, because they put the primer yesterday and it was just super nasty smell. So yeah, so basically, you know, I thought I put something on Instagram, you know, letting you guys know that my videos are not up to date now because I am literally like falling behind because of what's happening. My bathroom has been renovated as well, and I will do the proper video. We're just putting some other like finishing touches. So I just thought I will come here and do this little update for you guys. But I do have a little Chanel that I'm gonna show you. This is kind of a Mother's Day gift, and I know it's been a couple of weeks since Mother's Day, but you know, you just have to excuse me. I am super excited about my kitchen. They're like gonna send it today, and I put some update, by the way, on my Instagram. They're going to send it today, and they will put a first coat, I think, of the paint. I am basically making everything lighter. I will insert the picture of my kitchen before, and I will do like a whole kind of walkthrough and, you know, just show you guys around, because I think it's gonna be, let's keep our fingers crossed. I really hope it's gonna be pretty. The island of the kitchen will be a different color. It's gonna be like a dark stain, and the cabinets are going to be kind of like my trim color, which is kind of off-white slightly. So yeah, I am super excited because it's just too brown. It's too much brown, too much wood. We purchased this house in 2009. It was a brand new house. I think it was built in 2008. And you know, this is how it was from the moment we moved in. So yeah, I basically removed everything from the inside of the cabinets, and this kitchen is humongous, you guys. This kitchen is absolutely humongous. That's what really sold me on this house, the kitchen. And the island is humongous. Everything is huge about this kitchen. So I couldn't believe how much stuff I accumulated, you know, during the past, what, 12-13 years, you know, being in this house. It's just ridiculous. So now, as I'm gonna organize and put things back into the cabinets, I think I'm just gonna get rid of it, at least half of the stuff, because literally we don't need. I tell to my husband, like, why do we need so many plates? Why do we need so many, you know, bowls and, you know, glasses and all of it? Is just too much. So anyway, all right, that's it. No more rambling. I'll do the kitchen update. I just wanted to, you know, kind of give you a little you know, verbal kind of update on what has been happening. But let's move on to this little gift. I mentioned before, and I purchased a couple of things in the past from resellers on one of the Chanel Facebook groups. And you know, this is not my first purchase, so this obviously came from the Facebook group. And you guys, the seller, she was so nice. She actually recognized me and she said that she loves my channel. How fun. So I purchased actually from someone who knows me. You know, I mean, as much as you can know me obviously from here. But anyway, that was so sweet. Thank you so much. And she even dropped the price down for me, so I really do appreciate. But this is the item that I was after for a while, and I believe this is from last year collection, and you know, it came right around the Mother's Day time, so it's like a little gift. So it came in this box, and it has a beautiful velvet dust bag, and I think she did mention that she used it a little bit, or it's in excellent condition. I cannot really tell if this was used. To me it looks like brand new, but the tag was included. She also, you know, some of those little cards. She also included, she was so nice, the proof of purchase, like a copy. And you know, as usual, the Chanel comes with the little you know, like the information card and all of it. So this was all in the box, and of course here's the little item. And I love those velvety dust bags, and the item I purchased is, ta-da! How cute is that? So this is my new card holder, and I was after, well, I was open to the colors, but I was after the one with this kind of oversized CC. I love this big, you know, logo, and part of the CC has this kind of pink leather, you know, going through, and then the other part is, this is like a champagne kind of a hardware. I think it's so beautiful. Maybe the color looks a little bit brighter on the screen, that it's a little bit darker in reality. I'm looking at the viewfinder, it looks a little bit brighter, but it's the cutest pink. I mean, I absolutely love it. It's a 30th series. Let's see, yeah, it's 30, starts with a 30. I think it's from the last year collection, if I'm not wrong. But how beautiful that it is. I cannot tell if she used this or not. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It is all caviar leather, and of course it's all quilted. I was open to different colors, but I really wanted this kind of a bigger CC because I think it looks incredible. I do own one of the Chanel card holders, which I purchased like, I don't know, 5 years ago maybe or so. This is the one that is patent leather, super soft, super squishy, and I've used it a lot, you guys. Use it so much. There's already like little scuffs, I can tell, but that CC is also like very nice. So yeah, I just wanted, you know, another one with a brighter color and with this kind of a nice big CC with this leather kind of accent on it. I think it looks spectacular. It looks absolutely amazing. Love it so much. So I'm gonna have a little collection, and I brought my other two pink Chanel items so you guys can see maybe the color. These two are from the same collection. So this is my O case, and this is one of those card holders that has a little, you know, like a little pocket in here, and you put your, you know, your cards or your cash. It's like a little wallet really, but if you put the cash you have to obviously fold everything. But these, I just wanted to show you the difference in pink. Hopefully my camera can... Do you see how much darker it is? This is more like a bubblegum pink, and this one is a little bit darker. I still think the camera shows a little bit lighter than it is, but it is a different tone, you know, so obviously it's not the same exact color, but it's so cute. I love it. It's, yeah, it's like, it's pink with the maybe little red undertone, because this one is typical. You can tell this is more like a bubble pink. Yeah, how cute is that? Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. That was a little unboxing that I want to show you. I didn't really plan on making this video, but I know I won't be able to make any like major video now because of, you know, everything what has been happening, and I'll do my best. I think they should be done. They say it's gonna take about a week or so, but then I have to really try to put all that stuff you know, back in the cabinets, and because everything is in here in my bedroom, in my dining room, in my living room, it's just a whole mess. So anyway, I hope you guys all doing well. Let me know what do you think about my new little Chanel card holder. I'm excited to use it. I'm actually using right now the reverse monogram from LV, so I'm just gonna swap it. I'm gonna start using this one and enjoying this beautiful color for the spring and the summer. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!